Okay, let's say you want to create a cylinder from this perspective and you go to center circle and try to create, and it doesn't work because it is working according to the main axis rather than a custom view. Say plane from camera and create your circle like so. Now you can extrude and make a cylinder or whatnot. But let's say you want to go back to that view and you try to go with plane from selection. It will give you something like this. So you can't go back to the view you had while creating the circle. And even if you select just the edge for getting to that view and press plane from selection, you get such a view. To get to that original view, duplicate the edge so that you have a new curve, and if you press now plane from selection, you get to that view. And if you want to use this view over and over again, of course you can save this construction plane. Here it is, the new saved one. Okay, now let's change the view. Make something like this, and you want to go back to that custom view. Just double click on this one, on this new created one. There you go. And let's say after your work is done with this custom view and you don't want to see it here anymore, you can always delete it so you don't have a cluttered user interface.